So the price of milk has been going up dramatically lately. I don't know if you've noticed, maybe you don't drink milk. Um, about 2 weeks ago, I went to go buy a gallon of milk at the local supermarket, and it was $4.34. And I recall thinking, that sounds kind of pricey. I seem to recall it was less than that a few weeks ago when we bought milk. Well, it's been 2 weeks. I needed another gallon of milk. I bought another gallon today. It's now $4.99. Now, it's not like I can't afford 65 cents extra. That's not the issue. But if you think about it in percentage terms, that's like a 15% increase in 2 weeks. That is totally, absolutely insane. Fuel, of course, if you drive a car at all, you know that the price of fuel is going up dramatically. I went to fill up my car and thought it was a bargain. I only paid $4.90 a gallon at Giant Eagle to fill up my car with fuel. I do have a luxury vehicle which requires premium fuel. And so I couldn't even use the regular stuff, which is also super expensive. Now, why am I mentioning all this? Well, it's really, really simple. It's because as things get more expensive, you need to find new ways of making money in order to be able to survive in this world of high inflation. And that's why I am super excited about this new product, because it gives you a brand new way of driving traffic and making money. And it literally takes about 30 seconds, especially when you combine it with my custom bus. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of PDF Dynamo. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, well, I won't even bother with saying that you know the drill, because you know the drill. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do this thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. To make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Seriously, Bart, seriously, it's enough, okay? This guy has been going on most of my videos for 3 years now. He doesn't tag team with this other guy who talks about loving crap. I don't get it. I don't get either one of them. I really don't. Bart, get a new line. Anyhow, seriously, the way these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. My hat's the product great. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, Liz, she says the same thing every day also, but she's a sweetheart, so who can get angry at her? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So thanks to subscribe. Well, it doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for PDF Dynamo. This is from my friend Trevor Carr. Now, Trevor is a really good guy. He's actually the person who got me started in this industry about 3 years ago when he helped me launch Local Video Jackpot together with Bobby Dolce. And so I kind of have a soft spot for him. Now, this is one example of some of the money that he's been able to make using these PDFs. Now, what exactly is involved in this? Well, basically, this is a piece of software that lets you create monetized PDFs. The idea is basically give away the PDF for free, and then you're going to take that, you're going to embed inside the PDF a link to a product that you want to sell. It's really, really simple. Now, I do have an insane custom bonus because even though this thing makes it like, and I'm going to show you how it works in a few seconds, this thing makes it super easy to build your PDFs literally in a few seconds. It's all done online. It's copy paste basically, but you need the content. So what I've done for you is like this. I've actually put together a package of over 40 brand new PDF courses. They also come with the text, whatever, and you can just plug it into here, add in your affiliate link, and you're done, and start giving them away and start making money off of these things. Okay, this is a brand new way of making money that I hadn't even thought about before. Now, pick up any upgrade to this thing, by the way. And by the way, there's a bunch of other bonuses. You'll see them on the page below this video, or if you're on YouTube, just click the link below and you'll see all the other bonuses. But that's the big bonus that I'm giving you. These are 40 fresh courses that I've never given away before. I spent a small fortune to get licenses for you for these things. These are brand new, fresh stuff, mostly made within the past few months. And they're high quality stuff. They're evergreen stuff also that are not going to go out of style. Because a lot of stuff like, you go onto some of these PLR websites where they give stuff for free, and you see stuff about how to make money off of Google Plus. Well, I got news for you. Google Plus hasn't been around for a few years. I didn't do anything with Google Plus for these PDFs because I know it's a waste of your time, a waste of my time. I'm giving you stuff that's actually useful. Now, pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you a whole package of images as well that you can use together with the stuff. I'll show you in a minute why that's important. You can actually put in images. You can also put in free images if you like, but I'm also going to give you a whole set of images that you can use with this package as well, all completely for free. So let me go ahead and show you how the software works. This is the members area for PDF Dynamo. Basically, all you're going to do is click create. And so you're going to give it a title. Now we can just say members or test, or let's just call it test. Okay, now ordinarily what you're going to do is like this. You can either upload your files with your text, or you can put the text in here. For our purposes, we can put some random text in there. Doesn't really matter. Okay, we're going to pick an image. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just pick something random. Let me find something that, oh, I know. We'll put in my logo. All right, that's just a completely random thing. You can put in your own images. And again, by the way, you are going to get a package of images available as an upgrade when you pick this up from me. Now, we're going to put in just anything random here. This is, again, you're going to want to put in something, not just test, obviously. I'm just doing this for the purpose of showing you how it works. And you can put in a call to action, want more. Click here. Basically, the idea is that you're going to take the PDFs that I'm giving you, you're going to find an affiliate offer that is related to the same niche. And there's a lot of different niches that I'm giving you deliberately so that you have a lot of different options. And you're going to go ahead and just paste it in here, put in your affiliate link. In this case, you can put in test.com. You can choose where to put it. You can put it on top or bottom or both. We'll put it in both. You'll click create. And that's it, we're done, okay? You can actually see this thing. You can also share it on Facebook, on SlideShare, okay, on small PDF, as well as on Scribd. You can also download it and save it wherever you like. And literally, it's already done for you. And I can't show you too because it's not opening up in my browser, but basically it's a completely done for you PDF, ready to monetize, ready to use, and it literally took us, what, about 30 seconds to do this. If you have the content, which you're going to get from me, it's literally done for you. It's like, I can't make it any simpler than this in order to be able to start making some money off of this stuff. It's literally just about the easiest way of driving fresh traffic and making more money. And you can give these things away completely for free in order to do this. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Matt, the product creator, or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I really like this. This is a great idea and it's super simple. Grab this, you're going to love it.